Hello everyone. In Vedic astrology, Mercury, the planet symbolizing intelligence, logic, education, and communication skills, will combust in Taurus on June 2nd, 2024 at 6:10 pm. This event, where Mercury's strength and benefic influence are diminished, could lead to feelings of insecurity, decreased concentration, reduced grasping power, and even more lapses. Combustion occurs when a planet, excluding Rahu and Ketu, comes within 10 degrees of the Sun, causing the Sun to overshadow the planet and weaken it. The impending combustion of Mercury in Taurus might result in financial challenges and reduced peace, harmony, and happiness in family life. In this video, we will explore how the Mercury combustion in Taurus in June 2024 will affect each of the 12 zodiac signs and provide practical measures to mitigate these effects. Let's explore how Mercury's combust transit on June 2nd, 2024 will affect Aries natives. During this transit, Mercury, ruling the 3rd and 6th houses for Aries, will be positioned in the 2nd house. This alignment could bring financial challenges and strained interpersonal relationships. Financially, you might face shortages and increased expenses, leading to dissatisfaction. Career-wise, you may encounter obstacles and feel a lack of progress. In your personal life, communication issues could lead to conflicts with your partner, causing unrest. Additionally, health concerns such as toothaches and eye irritations might arise during this period. To mitigate the negative effects of Mercury's combust transit, Aries natives are advised to chant Om Bhaumaya Namaha 19 times daily. This practice can help enhance positive outcomes and reduce the impact of the transit. Let's explore the impact of Mercury's combust transit on Taurus natives from June 2nd, 2024. Mercury, ruling the 2nd and 5th houses for Taurus, will be in the 1st house during this transit. This position may bring challenges in finances, personal affairs, and personal growth. Concerns about children might also be prominent. Career-wise, it's important to be patient with colleagues to avoid conflicts. In business, you might see only moderate profits, leading to dissatisfaction. Financially, you may earn some income, but savings could be minimal. Your relationships could face difficulties, weakening the bond with your partner. Health-wise, be aware of potential skin rashes and throat issues. To enhance positive outcomes and mitigate the negative effects of Mercury's combust transit, Taurus natives are advised to chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya 11 times daily. This practice can help improve the overall impact of the transit. Let's explore the impact of Mercury's combust transit in Gemini natives, starting June 2nd, 2024. Mercury, ruling the 1st and 4th houses for Gemini, will be combust in the 12th house. This transit might dampen your enthusiasm and charm, leading to less luck in your career endeavors. In business, you might see a decline in profitability, making success harder to achieve. Financially, be cautious as there is a risk of monetary loss, especially related to travel, possibly due to oversight or neglect. In relationships, you might experience unrest with your partner, often due to a lack of adaptability. Health-wise, skin issues, particularly on the face, might arise. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate the negative impact of Mercury's combust transit, Gemini natives are advised to chant Om Namah Shivaya 21 times daily. This practice can help improve the overall impact of the transit. Let's explore the impact of Mercury's combust transit on Cancer natives starting June 2, 2024. Mercury, ruling the 3rd and 12th houses for Cancer, will be combust in the 11th house. This transit might leave you feeling less than fully satisfied, offering only limited fulfillment. Career-wise, job prospects look promising, but there is a chance of making errors. In business, satisfaction might be limited with moderate profits. Financially, while earnings may be decent, saving prudently could be challenging. In relationships, effective communication with your partner might be lacking. Health-wise, you may experience recurring throat infections due to allergies. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate the negative impact of Mercury's combust transit, Cancer natives are advised to chant Om Somaya Namaha 11 times daily. This practice can help improve the overall impact of the transit. Let's examine the impact of Mercury's combust transit on Leo natives starting June 2, 2024. For Leo natives, Mercury governs the 2nd and 11th houses and will be combust in the 10th house, signaling a time when careful attention to daily tasks is crucial. During this transit, you may face significant work pressure and a lack of recognition in your career. In business, you might experience fluctuations between profits and losses, along with increased threats. Financially, although there may be income gains, saving could be difficult. In relationships, you might feel more emotionally sensitive, impacting interactions with your partner. Health-wise, be aware of potential health-related issues due to decreased immunity. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate the negative impact of Mercury's combust transit, Leo natives are advised to chant Om Bhaskaraya Namaha 19 times daily. This practice can help improve the overall impact of the transit. Let's explore the impact of Mercury's combust transit on Virgo natives starting June 2, 2024. For Virgo natives, Mercury rules the 1st and 10th houses and will be combust in the 9th house. This alignment suggests that luck may not favor you as much as expected despite your hard work. Career-wise, you can anticipate new opportunities for on-site work and increased international travel. Financially, you are likely to earn a substantial income and improve your savings. In relationships, you may experience deeper emotional connections with your partner, bringing fortune to your personal life. However, be cautious of potential digestive issues affecting your health. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate the negative impact of Mercury's combust transit, Virgo natives are advised to perform puja for planet Rahu on Saturdays. This practice can help improve the overall impact of the transit. Let's examine the impact of Mercury's combust transit on Libra natives starting June 2, 2024. For Libra natives, Mercury governs the 9th and 12th houses and will be combust in the 8th house. This alignment may bring obstacles despite your ongoing efforts. Career-wise, you might experience increased work pressure and potential job insecurity. In business, sudden losses and heightened competition could pose significant challenges. Financially, negligence and carelessness may lead to losses, so caution is essential. In relationships, ego-related conflicts might arise, straining your interactions with your partner. Health-wise, be mindful of potential eye irritations due to infections. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate the negative impact of Mercury's combust transit, Libra natives are advised to chant Om Shri Durgaya Namaha 11 times daily. This practice can help improve the overall impact of the transit. Let's examine the impact of Mercury's combust transit on Scorpio natives starting June 2, 2024. For Scorpio natives, Mercury governs the 8th and 11th houses and will be combust in the 7th house. This transit may lead to losing friends and the goodwill they bring, which could weigh heavily on your mind. Professionally, you might face significant work pressure, potentially resulting in a loss of position and lack of recognition. In business, a lack of focus might lead to decreased profits. Financially, you could experience both gains and losses, making it a mixed period. In your relationships, interactions with your life partner may be moderate, lacking warmth and connection. Health-wise, be cautious of potential tooth pain and infections. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate the negative impact of Mercury's combust transit, Scorpio natives are advised to chant Om Mangalaya Namaha 27 times daily. This practice can improve the overall impact of this transit. Let's examine the impact of Mercury's combust transit on Sagittarius natives starting June 2, 2024. For Sagittarius natives, Mercury governs the 7th and 10th houses and will be combust in the 6th house. This transit may bring setbacks in relationships and challenges in both business and professional domains. On the career front, you might consider changing your current job. If you run a business, you could face a non-profit or no-loss situation, which might be frustrating. Financially, expect increased expenses that could cause concern. In relationships, ego conflicts with your partner may arise, straining your bond. Health-wise, you might experience low immunity, leading to throat pain and flu-related issues. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate the negative impact of Mercury's combust transit, Sagittarius natives are advised to perform puja for planet Jupiter on Thursdays. This practice can help improve the overall impact of the transit. Let's delve into the impact of Mercury's combust transit on Capricorn natives starting June 2, 2024. Mercury governs the 6th and 9th houses for Capricorn and will be combust in the 5th house during this transit. This alignment might trigger feelings of insecurity regarding the future. Career progress could slow down and work may feel stagnant. In business, engaging in stock trading might yield moderate gains and there could be a steady income from trade activities. In relationships, the essence of love might fade, potentially leading to marital discord with your partner. Health-wise, you may experience discomfort in your legs and thighs. To counteract the negative effects and enhance the positive impact of Mercury's combust transit, Capricorn natives are advised to perform puja for Lord Rudra or Shiva on Saturdays. This practice can help alleviate the challenges and improve the overall impact of the transit. Let's explore the impact of Mercury's combust transit on Aquarius natives starting June 2, 2024. Mercury governs the 5th and 8th houses for Aquarius and will be combust in the 4th house during this transit. As a result, you might experience reduced comfort and familial issues at home. In terms of your career, you may find yourself lacking satisfaction in your work, and in business expect heightened competition. Financially, there could be additional expenses for your family to manage. Regarding relationships, family issues might strain your bond with your life partner. Health-wise, you may need to allocate funds to your mother's well-being. To counteract the negative effects and enhance the positive impact of Mercury's combust transit, Aquarius natives are advised to chant Om Mandaya Namaha 44 times daily. This practice can help mitigate the challenges and improve the overall impact of the transit. Let's explore how Mercury's combust transit on June 2, 2024 will affect Pisces natives. Mercury governs the 4th and 7th houses for Pisces and will combust in the 3rd house during this transit. This may lead to delays in your personal growth and make you feel less confident. In your career, you may find yourself needing to travel for work even if it's not your preference. Financially, losses could occur during these travels, possibly due to oversight. In business, a lack of focus might lead to losses. In your relationship, you might experience unrest with your partner. Health-wise, you might suffer from eye pain, which could be worrying. To mitigate the negative effects and enhance the positive impact of Mercury's combust transit, Pisces natives are advised to donate food to old age poor Brahman on Thursdays. This practice can help alleviate challenges and improve the overall impact of the transit. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends and relatives. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to seeing you in other videos. Until then, goodbye and namaste.